Are you looking for best stand mixers for bread? In this video we will look at some of the best stand mixers for bread on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Hamilton 6-speed stand mixer. For the price, the 300-watt Hamilton Beach 6-speed stand mixer does a decent job at mixing most bread dough and batters for quick breads. The Hamilton is great for smaller batches and for softer doughs, says Weber. For the price point, this mixer will be a great addition for a novice baker. Our product tester agrees. The mixer seemed to strain just a little, but it still gave me a silky smooth dough. It would be a great mixer for bakers with more modest needs, she notes. Similar to KitchenAid, it has a mixing action that allows the attachment to revolve around the bowl to ensure even mixing. This model includes a 3.5-quart capacity stainless steel mixing bowl, dough hook, wire whisk, and plastic paddle. Our tester highlights the folding option, in addition to the appliance's 6 speeds, which she says is particularly useful for folding in delicate ingredients, as well as for initially mixing ingredients more slowly that might otherwise fly out of the mixing bowl at higher speeds, like flour. Hamilton Beach stand mixers save you time and energy while providing outstanding baking results. All Hamilton Beach stand mixers are designed for tough mixing and can handle even the thickest cookie or bread dough. Whatever stand mixer you choose, a variety of attachments are included from traditional and wire beaters to dough hooks. At number 2, SMEG 50s retro-style stainless steel bowl. The Italian brand SMEG is known best for quality appliances in stylish, award-winning retro designs, and the brand's stand mixer does not disappoint. This compact mixer has a die-cast aluminium housing with a powder-coated enamel finish reminiscent of a classic car, complete with chrome accents and gear shift-like speed control on the top of the unit. It's available in more than half a dozen colors. Like many other mixer brands, the SMEG comes with a trinity of attachments. At number 3, Wolf Gourmet High Performance Stand Mixer. Though this stand mixer is fairly new to the game, the Wolf brand is known for superior quality and craftsmanship, as demonstrated by its highly sought-after gas ranges. This professional-grade machine features a 7-quart capacity bowl and a robust 500-watt motor that can handle 8 pounds of dough at a time. Like the KitchenAid ProLine mixer, this model uses a bowl lift, but Wolf's proprietary design lifts and lowers the bowl with an easy turn of the bowl's handle. Bakers will enjoy the great control of mixing speed thanks to the variable speed dial and a pulse function for slowly adding ingredients into the mix. The Wolf Gourmet High Performance Stand Mixer also includes a flat beater, whisk, and dough hook that are all top-rack dishwasher safe, making for hassle-free cleanup. If you already own Wolf products, you'll appreciate the styling of this mixer, as its red knob and brushed finish coordinates well with other Wolf appliances. When our tester mixed a batch of bread dough, they were impressed with the power and speed with which the mixer worked. The mixer gave no signs of distress, overheating, noise, or extreme shaking. Where other models may walk across countertops with extreme mixing, the Wolf Gourmet stood its ground. Maintain constant speed and power even when mixing dense, heavy doughs with the Wolf Gourmet 7-quart stand mixer. Unique design features offer a seamless experience from start to finish, like the improved bowl lift and simplified attachment hub. At number 4, Ankarsrum Assistent Original Mixer AKM 6230. While this stand mixer may look and operate slightly different from the other mixers on the market, it packs no less of a punch. The 600-watt motor in this machine, situated beneath the mixing bowl, provides open access to the top of the mixing bowl. Adding ingredients in several steps is less messy and provides for maximum use of the bowl's capacity. Ankarsrum is a Swedish company that introduced this stand mixer style in 1940, under the familiar brand Electrolux. The mixer comes with a 7-liter metal bowl specifically for dough mixing and a 3.5-liter plastic bowl for use with the beater and whisk attachments. The dough mixing function includes a dough roller instead of the dough hook used in other stand mixer models. The dough roller pairs with a scraper attachment, which continuously scrapes the dough from the bowl's sides while mixing. The dough roller rests on the side of the bowl as it spins or can be manually moved across the bowl and locked into the position that suits you best. Don't let the operational learning curve scare you off, though. Ankarsrum provides a complete collection of videos to show you how to use your machine correctly. The typical attachments are provided with this stand mixer, including 2 cookie beaters, 2 whisks, a dough mixing set, 2 bowls, and a bowl cover. Ankarsrum also sells an impressive selection of attachments that turn your stand mixer into a versatile small kitchen appliance. Attachments include a blender, juicer, meat grinder, with sausage stuffers, grain and coffee mill, slicer, shredder, and several pasta sheeters and cutters, among several others. The machine is heavy, clocking in over 20 pounds, but the extra weight provides more stability while mixing heavier doughs. The Assistent Original also comes with a whopping 7-year warranty for the motor, which is incredibly comforting if you plan on using your machine for heavy-duty dough mixing regularly.